Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve sales techniques with Amazon, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve your sales techniques with Amazon, start by researching your target audience. Identify who your ideal customers are and what they are looking for. Analyze competitors to understand their strengths and weaknesses. Utilize Amazon's tools, such as keyword research, to optimize your product listings. Create an engaging title that includes relevant keywords to improve visibility. Write detailed product descriptions that highlight features and benefits. Use high-quality images that showcase your product from multiple angles. Incorporate customer reviews to build trust and credibility. Set competitive pricing by comparing similar products within your category. Experiment with Amazon promotions and discounts to attract buyers. Leverage Amazon's advertising tools, such as sponsored products and sponsored brands. Monitor your campaigns regularly and adjust based on performance data. Offer exceptional customer service to enhance the customer experience. Respond to inquiries promptly and address any issues swiftly. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. Utilize Amazon's A+ content feature to enhance your brand story. Focus on building a strong brand presence within the Amazon marketplace. Keep your inventory well managed to avoid stockouts and ensure customer satisfaction. Regularly analyze sales data and metrics to identify trends and areas for improvement. Stay up to date with Amazon's policies and changes to remain compliant. Join Amazon seller forums and groups for insights and best practices from other sellers. Continuously refine your sales strategy based on feedback and performance. Implement these techniques consistently to see improvements in your sales over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.